So we're here at the Paw, and we've gotten a lot done. So far, we have started to install the AstroTurf. You can see that we're going to add some extra padding to help the dogs when they're running, if they fall, or if the handler falls, that you are completely safe when you fall. So sometimes it happens. I know I can be kind of clumsy at sometimes. And then we're also working on these contacts. Now the contacts over here, we are doing rubber. So we're adding some rubberized contacts. So it's really nice surface for the dogs to run on the contacts. So really great. As you can see, we have 1, 2, and 3 AC units all ready to go to keep us nice and cool during the summertime. And lots of happening here at the Paw for Doggy Dojo headquarters, and we're going to be doing a lot of great and fun training exercises. Thanks again for watching here on the Doggy Dojo. As you guys can see, we have a lot done, and I'll give you guys a full tour in a future video. So stay tuned. Discover the path to life with your dog by subscribing today. Give this video a big thumbs up, and as always, have some fun with your dog.